Hello everyone. Today let's see how to utilize your 40 minutes for GIPMAT exam. So obviously I'm going to give you 40-minute strategy because you need buffer time also, correct? So first 0 to 3 minutes should be used as quick scan. Just scan the entire paper, see what is easy, see what is medium, see what is difficult, है ना? Easy, it might be grammar, vocab, direct questions. Medium are parajumbles and inference based RCs, and avoiding are long and confusing RCs, correct? Or close option questions. Now 3 to 12 minutes window is very important. Okay, this time cap that should be followed for grammar and vocab. Fill in the blank जैसे questions, error spotting, synonym, antonym, idioms and phrases, sentence correction. Please make sure you solve these questions, in this time cap. Please make sure you are very strict to follow time caps. Okay, because what will happen is if you don't follow one time cap, no, it's going to have a cascading effect. Then your next time cap will also be not followed, then third will also not be followed. So please make sure you follow the time caps from the beginning itself. Okay, now see, target is 8 to 10 questions and every question 40 to 45 seconds. Do not spend more than 40 to 45 seconds on one question because your time cap will be disturbed then. And believe me, yaar, these questions, no, they don't need more than 45 seconds. You see, you either know the answer or you don't know the answer. You can't practice smart elimination here. There's only two. Either you know or you don't know. It's binary. Okay, so please make sure that you follow the time caps and it's easy. Either you know the meaning of the idiom or you don't know, है ना? So आप फटाफट से solve करके just go ahead. Then next step should be solving reading comprehension. Now you can attempt RCs which are shorter first, है ना? Answer factual questions first, leave confusing inference questions for later. Do not overthink RCs in GIPMAT. This is the biggest mistake that students make is they spend too much time on RCs in GIPMAT where it's not needed. GIPMAT RCs are not like IPMAT Indore, no, they are not dense, है ना? They are not, the questions are not very difficult, the options are not very confusing. Got it? So you don't have any of the traps that you have in IPMAT Indore. Avoid overthinking between two close options, है ना? Because take those RCs at face value. You do not have to go deep. You do not have to overthink. They are pretty much direct. They are pretty much factual questions. In GIPMAT, you'll have main idea, tone, hardly one or two inference questions, and other questions would be direct questions. So do not overthink. Okay. Next should be parajumbles and sentence arrangement. Okay. Attempt these after RC and grammar. Opening sentence, you have to use clues. है ना? Intro sentence, pronouns, connectors, chronology, and most important is mandatory pairs. You just find intro sentence, sometimes your job is done, poof, you have got the answer. Or you make a mandatory pair, you have got your answer because you do have options here. It's not like Indore, है ना? So do not, try to make all the sequence, like entire sequence. You don't need that. Just make mandatory pairs and intro, you will get your answer. So you don't have to spend more time here. Also, one red flag that I'm going to tell you here is do not spend more than 1 minute on any parajumble question. If under 1 minute आपका कोई mandatory pair या फिर intro अगर नहीं बन रहा है, leave that question. Believe me, because if you're not able to form one mandatory pair under 1 minute, that question is difficult and it's very confusing. So you are not able to form any mandatory pair and you're not getting intro sentence also. Time to skip it. Okay. Now, obviously, you are going to need buffer time. है ना? So last, 35 to 40 minutes, you need to review and select attempts. Okay. So recheck all the marked answers. Sometimes, we do make silly mistakes. We know the answer is A and we mark sometimes C or B. So please make sure that you have marked all the right answers. You have to attempt questions where you have eliminated two options and you want to take a risk in those questions. Avoid blind guessing because GIPMAT has negative marking. So do not, तुक्का मारना है, नहीं, ये नहीं करना है, ठीक है? Now, ideal attempt should be 28 to 30. If you give 28 to 30, with around 80 to 90% accuracy, you can definitely score 100 plus. This is our target, है ना? We need to score 100 plus in GIPMAT. So around 28 to 30 with 80 to 90% accuracy will definitely take your score to 100 plus. So please make sure you follow these during your exam. Now, last but not the least, these are the QR codes for our groups, for Telegram, WhatsApp, and for free course. If you need the PDFs, if you want the PDFs for idioms, top 50 idioms, top 30 vocab, and top 30 grammar rules, all these PDFs will be made available in our Telegram group and our Rodha's free course group. So please make sure you do join these groups. And another good news, we have launched a Believers Batch 2.0 and Nurture Batch 2.0. Believers Batch is for 12th standard students, Nurture Batch is for 11th standard students. Okay. You are going to get 50 plus mocks, around 250 plus topic tests, one-on-one mentorship sessions, and all the content that we give in these batches is very much curated for your needs and very exam specific also. So please make sure if you have any doubts regarding these exams, these are the phone numbers. You call these numbers and you can clarify all your doubts. The batches are going to start from 8th of June, not 3rd of June, 8th of June. Okay, this is it, guys. All the best for your exams. Thank you so much. Bye bye.